The Wright Brothers, beginnings of modern aviation. The dream of human flight has fascinated humankind for centuries. Many pioneers attempted to conquer the skies, but it was the Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur Wright, who made history by successfully developing and flying the first powered, controlled, and sustained airplane in 1903. Their groundbreaking innovations laid the foundation for modern aviation, revolutionizing transportation and connecting the world in ways never before imagined. Early life and interests. Wilbur and Orville Wright, the famed Wright brothers, were born in the late 19th century in Dayton, Ohio. From an early age, both brothers exhibited a keen interest in mechanics and engineering, a passion that was nurtured by their family environment. Their father, Milton Wright, played a significant role in encouraging their inquisitiveness by providing them with books and tools that sparked their curiosity. One particular toy, a small helicopter inspired by the work of Alphonse Panot, left a lasting impression on the brothers. This simple device fueled their fascination with flight, motivating them to delve deeper into the principles that could make human flight possible. As teenagers, Wilbur and Orville were known for their inventive minds. They opened a printing business together, which not only honed their technical skills, but also reinforced their ability to work collaboratively. Later, they ventured into the bicycle repair and sales business, which allowed them to finance their burgeoning interest in aviation. The bicycle shop became more than just a business. It served as a workshop where they could tinker with designs and materials, laying the groundwork for their future aviation experiments. Initial experiments with flight. The Wright brothers started their aviation experiments by building gliders and studying the works of pioneers like Otto Lilienthal. They crafted these gliders in their bicycle shop, focusing on understanding key elements such as lift, drag, and control. Each flight test, whether successful or not, provided them with critical data that they used to improve their designs. The brothers quickly understood that achieving stable and controlled flight was a complex challenge that required more than just mechanical power. They began experimenting with different wing shapes, sizes, and control mechanisms to find the optimal configuration. One significant insight was the importance of wing warping, a method they developed to control the roll of the aircraft. This innovation allowed the pilot to change the angle of the wings, making the glider more maneuverable. They also made adjustments to the rudder and elevator systems to achieve better pitch and yaw control. Each modification brought them closer to solving the complexities of controlled flight. Despite numerous setbacks, including crashes and injuries, their relentless dedication and analytical approach helped them refine their designs. They tested their gliders at locations like Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, known for its strong winds and soft sand, which provided ideal conditions for their experiments. These early trials laid the groundwork for their eventual breakthrough in powered flight, teaching them invaluable lessons that would soon revolutionize aviation. Breakthrough in powered flight. The year 1903 marked a significant achievement for the Wright brothers with the creation of the Wright Flyer. This pioneering aircraft featured a lightweight engine and an innovative propeller system, both designed by Wilbur and Orville. On December 17, 1903, at Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, their efforts culminated in the Wright Flyer, completing the first controlled, powered flight. Orville took the pilot's seat, navigating the aircraft for 12 seconds and covering a distance of 120 feet. What set the Wright Flyer apart from previous attempts at powered flight was its effective control mechanisms. The brothers applied their understanding of aerodynamics and their practical skills to build an aircraft capable of sustained flight. The use of wing warping for roll control, combined with the coordinated movement of the rudder and elevator, allowed for unprecedented maneuverability and stability. The success of the Wright Flyer was not just a fleeting moment. It was a carefully calculated achievement based on years of rigorous experimentation and refinement. Their approach emphasized the importance of balance and control, proving that human flight was not only possible, but could be managed with precision. Impact on modern aviation. The Wright brothers' innovations fundamentally transformed the field of aviation. Their pioneering work on control systems, particularly their development of the three-axis control system, set a new standard in aircraft maneuverability and stability. This breakthrough allowed for the precise management of pitch, roll, and yaw, which became essential for safe and controlled flight. The The Wrights' focus on control and balance over mere mechanical power shifted the direction of aviation engineering, making their methods a cornerstone of modern aircraft design. Their successful flights proved that human-powered flight was not only feasible, but could be achieved with a high degree of accuracy and reliability. This breakthrough inspired subsequent engineers and inventors, driving rapid advancements in aviation technology. The principles they established were quickly adopted and expanded upon, leading to more advanced and reliable aircraft. Legacy and recognition. Wilbur and Orville Wright's groundbreaking achievements in aviation earned them a revered place in history. They were lauded not just for achieving the first controlled, powered flight, but also for their innovative approach to solving the challenges of flight. Their work garnered numerous accolades and recognition from scientific communities, governments, and institutions worldwide. In 1909, they were awarded the Congressional Gold Medal, one of the highest civilian honors in the United States. The Wright brothers' contributions to aviation were also celebrated internationally. They received the French Legion of Honor and numerous other awards from various countries, acknowledging their global impact on aviation technology. Monuments and memorials were erected in their honor, including the Wright Brothers National Memorial in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, which stands as a tribute to their pioneering efforts. Three-axis control system. The development of the three-axis control system was among the Wright brothers' most influential contributions to aviation. This system, which allowed pilots to manage pitch, roll, and yaw, was revolutionary in ensuring aircraft stability and maneuverability. Prior to this innovation, controlling an aircraft was a major challenge, often resulting in unstable and unpredictable flights. The Wright brothers addressed this issue by implementing a mechanism that could adjust the aircraft's orientation in 3 dimensions. Their method involved the use of wing warping for roll control, which altered the wing's angles to manage the aircraft's tilt. Combined with a movable rudder for yaw control and an adjustable elevator for pitch, this comprehensive system provided unprecedented control. The integration of these elements allowed pilots to perform coordinated turns and maintain steady flight, even in varying wind conditions. Public demonstrations. After achieving controlled, powered flight, the Wright brothers presented their innovations to the world through public demonstrations. These events, held in both the United States and Europe, were pivotal in proving the practicality and reliability of their aircraft. Crowds gathered in awe as Wilbur and Orville showcased the capabilities of their flying machines, executing controlled maneuvers and demonstrating sustained flight. The exhibitions captivated audiences and caught the attention of the press, generating widespread interest and excitement about the future of aviation. These demonstrations were not just about showcasing their achievements. They were strategic moves to attract potential buyers and investors. Governments and private entities saw the potential military and commercial applications of aviation, leading to significant interest and investment in the Wright brothers' work. The public displays underscored the viability of powered flight, transitioning it from a novel concept to a promising new mode of transportation. The success of these demonstrations was instrumental in solidifying the Wright brothers' reputation as the pioneers of modern aviation, laying the groundwork for the development and commercialization of air travel. The Wright brothers' journey from bicycle mechanics to aviation pioneers exemplifies the power of curiosity, determination, and innovation. Their groundbreaking work at Kitty Hawk was the first step toward a world where air travel is an essential part of global transportation. Their legacy endures as a testament to human ingenuity and the limitless potential of scientific discovery. Otto Lilienthal, 1848 to 1896, the Glider King. Otto Lilienthal, a pioneer in aviation, was instrumental in advancing our understanding of flight mechanics. His innovative glider designs and meticulous documentation of his flights provided invaluable data for future aviators. Born in Germany, Lilienthal was fascinated by the mechanics of bird flight, which he studied extensively before applying his findings to human aviation. Through a series of experiments conducted in the late 19th century, Lilienthal constructed several glider models that allowed him to achieve controlled flight. His flights, often conducted from artificial hills or natural slopes, demonstrated that stable, sustained gliding was possible. Gustav Weisskopf, 1874 to 1927, the controversial claim. Gustav Weisskopf, also known as Gustav Whitehead, was a German-born aviation enthusiast who moved to the United States in the late 19th century. He claimed to have made a powered flight on August 14, 1901, in Bridgeport, Connecticut, predating the Wright brothers' famous flight by more than 2 years. Weisskopf's aircraft, often referred to as Number 21, was said to be a monoplane powered by 2 engines, one for the wheels used during takeoff and the other for the propellers. The credibility of Weisskopf's claims has been a subject of heated debate among historians and aviation experts. Supporters argue that there are contemporary newspaper accounts, witness testimonies, and even photographs that suggest Weisskopf did achieve powered flight. They assert that his contributions have been unjustly overlooked due to the more extensive documentation and subsequent success of the Wright brothers. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.